Hey there, creative minds. Ever wondered how top brands nail their visual identity every single time? Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on something that's going to change your branding game forever. I'll show you how to create professional brand mood boards and perfect color palettes using ChatGPT, and trust me, the results are incredible. Before we dive in, look at these two brand identities. The first one took a design agency 3 weeks and cost thousands. The second one, we created it in under an hour using the method I'm about to show you. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact prompts and process to create stunning brand identities for any business. Let's start with what most tutorials get wrong: preparation. Open ChatGPT and create a new chat. But before we type anything, we need to organize our brand information. Pull up your notes and write down your industry and target audience, core brand values and personality, any specific colors you want to incorporate, reference images of designs you love. Quick tip: having this information ready will make ChatGPT's responses significantly more accurate. Now, here's where the magic happens. I'm going to share the exact prompt that consistently gets amazing results. Watch my screen as I type. Analyze these references images and create a professional color palette for a vertical SaaS brand that embodies customer centricity, innovation, agility, collaboration, continuous improvement, reliability, transparency, adaptability, and a strong focus on customer success. The brand targets enterprise customers and wants to convey a message of cost savings and reliability, which customers can trust. Include hex codes of primary colors 3349FF, secondary colors FF3377, and accent colors F9FF33. Please explain the psychological meaning behind each color and how they relate to the reference images provided. Look at what ChatGPT gives us. We're not just getting colors, we're getting a complete color psychology breakdown. Let's analyze this response. The primary color, royal blue, represents trust and stability, perfect for enterprise brands. Our secondary color, deep pink, adds that modern touch while staying professional. And that accent yellow? It's strategically chosen to highlight cost savings and efficiency. But here's where it gets really interesting. Watch what happens when we extend this process. Let's type our follow-up prompt. Let's assume I am building a new brand for a WeWork-style shared cloud kitchen. What should be the name and logo that offers a similar experience? See how ChatGPT builds on our existing color scheme while suggesting names like Cloud Kitch and KitchenSink. It's maintaining brand consistency while expanding our identity system. Now, let's put this into practice. I'll show you how to generate multiple color palette variations, get Google font pairing recommendations, create comprehensive brand guidelines, build a complete mood board. The key is to keep building on each response, refining your brand identity piece by piece. And there you have it. Professional brand mood boards and color palettes created with AI. No more guesswork, no more endless revisions. Just consistent psychology-backed brand design. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI design tutorials. I've put all the prompts we used today in the description below. Drop a comment with your results. I'd love to see what you create.